So I'm taking out this rubber mat. Hey, look! A nickel. Now you can see this little thing here. That's for the little table that I have. And then this seat swivels around. So that's where I'm going to do my office work. And then over here, going along past, I have to take this seat out. And that's going to be for my bed. So I can't figure out how to get this seat out or stow it. So that's a bit of a problem. I'm out of breath from trying. But I finally got the rubber mat out. That was difficult because it was like tucked under the seats a little bit. I'm out of breath from also because of that. So now I'm just gonna sit here and procrastinate. My head kind of hurts. So there's some screws under the chair and I'm gonna try to unscrew them and see if that'll help me get the seats off. Oh! I accidentally pushed some buttons. I don't think that's right either. It's so confusing. Like when I can like. Oh! Oh! I did it! I got it off! Oh, yes! 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 Ah! I'm so excited right now! So it's super cozy in here. I've got this nice table. Here's my bed. This decoration and some lights on the wall. Here's another one, but the sticky stuff kind of gave in. And then in my windows, I've got this nice stuff made out of poster board. So here's what I made for the big windows. So when I sleep at night, no weirdos can look inside. This curtain, so when I need to go to bed, the driving part is separate from the living part. And this magnet, I used a bungee cord for my paper towel roll. And then this thing, storage pouch thing, which is great. Toothpaste and toothbrush. I've got this light here, I've got another flashlight here, some tape, this multi-tool, and then this is my toilet / trash can. So it's just a 5-gallon bucket, and I got this little seat / lid from Walmart. Opens up, it's pretty comfortable. You put in a bag and then you put kitty litter inside and then you do your business.